You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from French originally. This is actually the French word for wool, okay? In English it means also a woolen cloth, okay? Wool, essentially, but that's the French word for it. In French it's pronounced laine, but in English the pronunciation, it also exists in English. Laine is how it's pronounced. Laine from French, laine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.